Alright, so today let's talk about personal health problems that affect your social life, including your relationship. So have you ever wondered where you are into a relationship and for no reason your spouse just walk away? For no explained reason, clear reason, the spouse just walk away. So let's discuss that there are some personal health problems about you that sometimes your spouse cannot explain to you clearly. The only thing they will do is just walk away. So let's get there quick. Number one is poor personal hygiene. That means you cannot take care of yourself. So let's list two things on poor personal hygiene. The first thing is bad oral smell. The mouth can smell bad. Some people can't withstand at all. So bad breath can chase people away. The second one is bad body smell. So bad breath, bad body smell. Let's understand what causes bad breath. Bad breath can be maybe as a result of you not being able to brush your teeth, take care of your oral health properly, and what have you. But we'll discuss the solution, how to control it better. So the bad body smell too is the same thing. So let's understand how to control bad breath and how to control bad body smell. So how do we control bad breath and bad body smell? So bad breath is controlled by the means of brushing your mouth 2 times a day. Brush in the morning and brush in the evening. Then after eating, every time you eat, make sure you use tooth floss and floss the tooth or your teeth to make sure you get all the food particles outside. Because what happens is that when you start to experience bad breath, it's because the food particles are lost between your teeth. The normal bacterial flora in your mouth can use those particles and make them smell bad. So they have a way of converting those food particles in your teeth and make your breath smell bad. So later you realize that some of those particles can turn into hard substances called plaque, and they will stick on your teeth, start appearing brownish, sometimes turn black dark spot on your teeth that will cause toothache. We call that dental caries. All of those things can cause bad breath. They will cause infection in your mouth as well. And sometimes the infection can affect the gums, so you start experiencing gum swelling. So in order for you to avoid all this, you need to brush in the morning and brush in the evening. So after brushing in the evening, make sure you don't eat anything and go to bed. Most time people think oral hygiene is about the kind of product of toothpaste that you used, but it's about how often you brush a day. So brushing twice a day, tooth floss, and treating any tooth condition properly can help you get a perfect breath odor. How to control bad body smell. Take bath twice a day as well. So moreover, make sure that you don't keep body hairs in your armpits, especially in the armpits. You don't keep hair in the armpits like this picture. So you see that the hair in the armpits, when it grow, you realize that some white substances will be attached to the hair, and those things can be placed there by the heat in the armpits and the bacteria called staphylococcus, which are normal bacteria on the skin that will not cause any harm for you until they are opportune to cause problem. So those bacteria will interact with your body sweat and will create a bad smell. So most times it's advisable to shave. Make sure you don't keep any hair in your armpit. Even at your private, make sure your pubic hair is properly shaved. So even if you take out with a whole barrel of water, after an hour, you say put on a bad smell because of the hair in the armpit. So taking bath twice a day is very healthy. It's important. Normally your body sweat does not just smell that bad. Try that. The sweat from your full hair, take it, pull your hand, pull it at the nose immediately. You won't get any bad smell. But because the sweat will stay on the skin, especially in the armpit, and the bacteria interact with the sweat and give it a bad odor, you will smell bad. So let's avoid poor hygiene. Get perfect cologne from the market, cosmetic products, use them as well. So what are the effects of poor personal hygiene? How does it affect you as a person? So let's get there. The first thing is it makes you to lose self-esteem. So self-esteem is that when you lose self-esteem is that you don't have the confidence that you are better, or in short, you condemn yourself. That's it, that's the word. So you will always condemn yourself. Whenever you get more people, you see that you already compare yourself with them, feel that you are not capable of being with that person or among people. So you will condemn yourself because you feel you smell your breath is bad. Somebody even want to come close to you, you think the person will smell your mouth and get away. So loss of self-esteem, that's one. Two, you will lose your relationship, your personal relationship, because more people cannot withstand bad smell. So the first time some people will bear patient and see that maybe it just happened for once, but if it is continuous, it will not be something that somebody will tolerate. Most people will not tolerate it. If it continues, they won't tolerate it and it will get out of your life. Some people will help you some other ways. For example, to control bad breath, if somebody wants to help you, what they can do is that they will go to the market and buy you a lot of gifts. Buy you t-shirts, buy you trousers, buy you underwears and things. Then among those gifts, they will buy toothpaste and toothbrush and put it among it. So their own thinking and own sense. Just get it in mind that they are telling you to brush, but they don't want to tell you directly by buying single toothpaste and toothbrush and put it into your face. You will feel somehow embarrassed. So this can affect your personal relationship. 3, rejection. So rejection is almost the same as people walking away from your life. And friends that you go around who notice that you got bad breath, they won't want to associate. Maybe you are good at catering, baking, and somebody call you for a contract to prepare food. When it comes to food preparation, people prefer people who are clean, no smell on you. So the first conversation on how to start the process of preparing some, baking material for them because they want to host a little program. Just with the interaction with that person, the person just perceive your odor. Some of them won't tell you anything. They will just talk with you and you're finish the conversation. Once that person get out of your presence and they are gone, you will never see them again. Each time you call and they will tell you, I postpone the program. And you will continue to call for that postponed date, you will never get it. That person will have that program with different other person who will do the catering for them because the person does not want anyone whose breath is bad. Because doing even your serving, somebody perceive that odor from you, they say, but there's somebody odor in the food that we eat here. So people won't take that. So that's rejection. They will always reject you. Social isolation, almost the same as rejection. People will always push you aside because of bad smell, poor oral hygiene, poor personal hygiene. So this is bad. It can affect, no matter how clever, how smart you are, this can affect your social life. So please let us understand this and do well. One thing I would say is that poor oral hygiene, bad breath has bad effect on the body. But I'll just give one bad effect that it has. It has so many effects, but let's give one so that you can understand that there's a condition we call endocarditis. So the inner portion of the heart can be affected, can be inflamed. So you experience pain. Now some people have certain kind of chest pain. Inner portion of the heart can be infected by bacteria from your mouth. Those bacteria from the mouth, they are normal flora that can be opportune to cause infection when you give it the opportunity to cause infection with a poor oral hygiene. So whenever the bacteria are set there through your food and whatever in the mouth, you go and eat again, you take water, you drink, most of the bacteria go down. When they go through the systemic circulation, they can set into the heart muscles within the heart chambers and cause infection. Within a long period of time, it will cause heart disease. This is how it affects you. So there are so many things that we need to do to keep ourselves healthy. Make sure you don't sweat in the clothes and you see the sweat showing like this. It gets dry. You take the shirt and hang it and get dry, and you put it on again. Most times people do that. Change your clothes daily. Do not repeat clothes. This will give you bad smell. So thank you so much. Let's keep following for more health talks.